You want some more fonts? Well, you can find lots of fonts, of course, on the web, but you can also get some really good fonts via the Adobe Fonts, and you can get those just by having a Creative Cloud account. That's all you need. You don't need to have Photoshop, you don't need Illustrator. You apparently can get 1,000 or so fonts that way. If you want more fonts, such as the one here, you can have an application such as Photoshop or maybe one of their photography apps. And also, of course, the full suite. And I think you've got approximately about 30,000. It may be a lot more now, fonts you can access. So how to access them? Let's just quickly go here. I'm just going to remove this one. And I want to go for some fonts. Go up here to type. And you've got here more from Adobe Fonts. Not particularly obvious. I must admit that this will give you access to the fonts. But let's just select it. More from Adobe Fonts. Okay, it's gone through all the various sign up process, etc. And now you get here. And what you can do, you can search for a whole range of different options. You've got here tags. So you might decide, you know what, I want one for sort of clean. Let's just go for clean. So select that. And then you'll see the various fonts that it assumes are clean fonts. So you've got here, you might think, you know what, I really want this one. This one looks pretty good. And all you need to do is click here, add family. But you've also got another options here, number of fonts in family. You can increase or decrease if you want to have less, or maybe you want to reduce it down. So the one you just that I was just going for, that may vanish. And now I might go for this one, Century Gothic. Just select it. Just go to add family. And then it will process it for a few seconds. Now click OK. And it's done. So if I go back now to Photoshop, just go here to the type tools and horizontal type tool. Click here and now go up here. And you see you've got options here for various fonts, but this is the one you need to click. Just click this one and that will be all the Adobe fonts. And you can see I've got quite a few of them here. And the one I've just added, this one, Century Gothic Pro. So just click here. And now you can see here, I've got regular. I've also got bold. So let's just select bold. And now I can click OK. And now I have it very quickly, an Adobe font added into Photoshop. Now, of course, if I was using Illustrator, much the same as well. Hope you found this video of use. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. Will you be using the Adobe fonts? Will you want to use them with all your projects? Have you downloaded them in the past? It'd be great to know. Do you find it very easy to select fonts? Do you find it easy to find the fonts that you actually need? Also, do you like the fonts? That's the key thing as well, of course. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.